Hey y'all, so I will be using Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner today. I really like glitter liner. I was introduced to glitter liner when I made a visit to Ulta one day, and it was just like in a eyeshadow kit. But after I used it, I was like, oh, that's cute. And my boyfriend really likes it, so he actually got this for me from Sephora. This is the color, what color is this? Oh, this is Glam Rock. This is like the thicker one I've seen. Focus. Okay, it's not gonna show, but it's Glam Rock. It says it here. Yeah, I'm excited about this. This is the one that shows up most prominently. When you open it, it looks like this. Just focus. Woo. So the trick to glitter liner is don't be afraid to mess up, because you probably will mess up. Don't be afraid to mess up. And also you kind of don't want to use it like normal black liner, because usually normal black liner goes on your top lid, and it's not like a Kaho liner where you put it inside of your bottom lid. You put it on the outside. So, whoop, focus. Sometimes you'll get some right here on your bottom lash. And it's really easy to take off. But yeah, that shows up. Do you see how this shows up a little bit? Some of the other glitter liner from this specific line, the Heavy Metal line of Urban Decay, I felt like when I put it on, it didn't show up too much. So I actually put like 3 coats of it on when I do my glitter liner. Take that off of my bottom lash. All right, great. All right. Sometimes it will take practice. Sometimes it will take practice for you to get the hang of it. So yeah, this is what it pretty much looks like. Let me go look in the mirror real quick. Yeah, I like this. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this is just my review for this. So far, honestly, this is the best glitter liner I have tried so far. As far as how long it lasts, but it isn't as thick as the Ulta brand that I first tried out, and I do like that. So yeah, I will be trying this again and getting you guys updates. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like, y'all. What it looks like. All right, see ya.